Hmong Vocabulary 101, Lesson 8, Colors. Lesson 8, Colors. Let's begin. Colors in Hmong is Kawm. Kawm. Colors. Kawm. 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 Colors. Leah. Leah, red. Leah. Leah. Leah, red. Sia. Sia, blue. Sia. Sia. Sia, blue. Da. Da, yellow. Da. Da. Da, yellow. Njua. Njua, green. Njua. Njua. Njua, green. Do. Do, black. Do. Do. Do, black. Do. Do, white. Do. Do. Do, white. Kawm. Kawm, silver. Ka is color, nya is money. So we say Kawm. Kawm. Kawm, silver. Ku. Ku, gold. Ku. Ku. Ku, gold. Cafe. Cafe, brown. Cafe. Cafe. Cafe, brown. Ba Ying. Ba Ying, purple. Ba Ying. Ba Ying. Ba Ying, purple. Lia Da. Lia Da, orange. Lia Da. Lia Da. Lia Da, orange. That is it for any other colors that's not in here. Either Hmong doesn't have a name for it. Actually, Hmong doesn't have the name for any other colors. So that is it for this lesson.